Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. Uh, one and only Spookerman. Let's go. Let's start this battle on. Wait lang. Fast forward. This is a wrong part. Parts guys, kasi hahanapin natin dito yung mga sirens. Yan. Ikakat ko to guys kasi natapos na natin to, di ba? So ikakat ko to. Don't worry guys. Dadaling. Nandito na tayo guys, oh. We are here. What the wrong places. Dito tayo hanapin doon yung sirens guys. So I will spoil you but it is true. Pursuit of Lost Souls. Yep bro. Dito hanapin yung sirens guys. Yung mga nag-iingay na desert. Ewan ko ba't mayroong sirens dito sa buhangin. Sirens. Ito si Athena.
Kratos, the journey forward is perilous, but one you must complete if you are to have any hope of saving Athens.
The Oracle spoke of Pandora's box.
Moger.
Can it be real?
The box exists. It is the most powerful weapon a mortal can wield.
And with such a weapon, I could defeat Ares.
With the box, many things become possible, and so it is hidden well, far across the desert of lost souls. There is safe passage through the deadly sands, but only those who hear and follow the siren's song will discover it. You must find the sirens, Kratos. Only they can guide you to Kronos, the Titan.
A Titan lives.
Kronos is the last. Zeus has commanded him to
Kronos,
wander the
guys, oh.
desert endlessly. The temple of Pandora chained to his back, until the swirling sands rip the very flesh from his bones. Stay true to the song of the siren, Kratos. Your journey begins here. Pray it leads you back to Athens, with Pandora's box. Follow the song of the sirens,
Ito na guys,
Kratos.
hanapin dito yung sirens.
Find and destroy them all, and the path through the deadly sands will be open to you.
Sirens. Silence. What am I saying? Nakakatindas ito kasi speedrun. Wrong way. Let's find the sirens. Wrong way too. Move. Ayun guys, narinig nyo ba yan guys? Ayun siya, sirens oh. What on earth? Yikes. Scary. I bet you are neither. It makes me angry. Rawr. Mali guys, meron pa pang isa to. Ano yan? Apply the soul.
You must find and destroy the two remaining sirens before you may pass.
Oh, 2 remaining sirens guys. Naubos ko ang aking Spartan range.
You must find and destroy.
Okay. You must find the 7 sirens. Dapat yung isang sirens guys ay sa buhangin. Ba't sa buhangin yung mga sirens ba nasa dagat yan? What on earth? Saan yun? Narinig ko sa guys, narinig ko din ako. Wala kasi dito lang ba lang tayo? Where are you? I think I'm lost. Nawala yung tuwan ng kagis oh. Wala pa na yun. Yo, meron to chest up bro. Need gun, red oil, zero lang. But upgrade something. Upgrade subsig. Buat ito yung upgrade guys. Yung Gorgon Flash. Sabi sa inyo eh. Gorgon Flash. Instant freeze. First new ability, stronger freeze beam. Okay. So yun yung kamunod dito level up Iron Blade of Chaos. So sunang sa race guys. Let's beat the up. Let's beat the hell up. Mayroon pang chest. Give me the Gorgon Eye. Ano ba yan? Nakuha lang dito. Kami comes to Papa. Ba't may kasama pa nga limaw? Papalakot lang kakalabanin ko. Sakit ha. Mukhang matay dito guys ha. Mukhang matay dito guys ha. Oh my goodness. I'm cooked. God. Sana yung sirens guys. Wala tuloy. Sirens. Yan, tuloy bro. Isa. Nice one. Heal me. Ha? Galing gang. Patay siya eh. Uy, baka nawala na yung sirens kasi di ko na naririnig eh. Baka sige na ka. Ito pa kasi. Ay, mga sasabi ko. May pa daw guys. Oh no. Ay, ito yun, sa wakas. Finally, sa wakas, nakapalala ng isa. Yes! Mayroon tayo isa pang mahanapin sa pang sirens guys dito sa buhangin. Yes. And you are next. Or I am next. Oh no. Isa. You're next, bro. Don't disturb my job. You're interrupting my job. Oh, I'm gonna cook you. I'm gonna cook you. One silence left. And when my job is done. Okay. Fast forward na tayo ulit. Fast forward ulit kasi hanapin natin yung sirens. Guys, kasi hindi natin mahanap yun pag hindi tayo fast forward. Let's go. So hanggang dito na lang muna tayo kasi hindi ko siya mahanap yung isa. At magtatagalan tayo dito guys kasi parang hindi ako basta like and subscribe na lang guys for more video and interesting videos. Goodbye.